We will learn how to use the slots booking tool. For that, we need to log in with your club username and password. I am using my own club username and password. Okay, so now I am here. Here is slots booking tool. Just you need to click on that. We have all the records, previous records of bookings. Now I want to create a new one. I will create an add booking button, and just I need to fill the meeting number. I am filling any dummy data and date and time, and then what timing your meeting is. Let's say 10:30 to 12:30. Then next I need T-mode slots 1, GE slots 1, TTM slots 1, speaker slots 1, 2, 3, and evaluator 3. Then I need one timer, I need one counter, and one grammarian. You can add the many options as per your requirement and click on save. Now my slots booking URL is ready. Let me open it. It's saying booking completed, no more bookings allowed for this meeting. It is because we need to just activate this link. Now after activating this link, I need to click on this and see your slots booking link or page will look like this. Okay, then now if someone, just you need to copy this link and share in your WhatsApp group or any group where you want to send by email or whatever you want. Then the people will click on this link, and after clicking on this link, the same page will open. For example, I am a user. Just consider I am a user, and I just come on this page by clicking on this particular link, and now I have to book a speaker. Then I need to just click on the book now, then book. It is saying as I log in with my club profile username and password, then I need to log in with my user profile, means my user I have to log in with my user credential. Just I need to log in. This is my user credential. It will redirect to the same page. Now I will book. It's saying slots book. Once I will click on OK, my name and my contact number is showing, because I I I, I am already a registered user. So that's why it's take my name and contact number. It took my name, a contact name and contact number automatically. If now let me log in with my club profile once again. If you are a VP ad, so you can just edit this URL. You can add any name, means the any members. You can assign any members any role as per the request from the member. Just let me type. I want to add a like pencil, and then as we already added all the members in team member section, that's why the auto suggest will come here. Just we need to click on save, and now you will see the timer role is already booked. See here the Rohan Batra. So this is the way how this tool will work. If you want to just remove anyone, you can remove from here. So all the control in the hand of VV Education. Now I updated. Let me refresh. This slots is still available for the booking. One more thing I want to tell you, that is you can check the status here, like out of 3 role players, 0 is booked, 0. There is one speaker, means out of 3 the one slots has been already booked. So you can check the status here also. Once you created the all slots booking uh, URL, means you generated the many URLs like we generated from our past many meetings. So you will have one more a feature that is report. In report section you can check very easily how many people are taking the roles, or who are the people who are not taking the roles or speeches or auxiliary role players. For example, I want to know which are the person who is delivering more speeches. Just I need to click on this button. So Gopal Juneja is one of the member who is who delivered the three speeches. I want to check those person who are not delivering the speeches. Then I need to click once, and then it starts showing the list. These are the people who is not delivering the speech from past few months. So this tools is very helpful. This is all from my side. Thank you so much.